Good afternoon, everybody. This is Connie Doyle, and I'm an immigration attorney here in Palatine, Illinois. I wanted to share some good news that I had last week, so I apologize for my rather informal appearance today. It is Sunday. So the good news is this. I had a citizenship interview with a young lady who I had also done her adjustment application about 4 years ago. And at that time, she thought she would never be able to adjust because when she had first entered the United States when she was 17, she was provided a passport with her first name, different last name, and a different birth date. This passport was provided to her by a family friend who was also on the flight with her, and he presented all the documents to immigration as they were coming in. She really didn't say very much. Now we jump forward. She ends up marrying a U.S. citizen many years later, and then goes to adjust her status, which I said I think we can still do it. At the interview, they asked a lot of questions, and even though she was 17 at the time, and even though she wasn't aware of what the information was in there, actually they had told her that she was going to be adopted. And so that's why she's like, okay, I guess this makes sense. But anyway, we were able to get her, after the interview for her green card application, we were able to get her a waiver, a fraud and misrepresentation waiver. And it was issued like 2 months later, so it was really fast. And then we now did her citizenship interview. A couple of things about the citizenship interview that I wanted to let you guys know. They will ask questions about any previous marriages. And they will ask questions about your current marriage and a lot of details that they want to know. So you're kind of revisiting way before, and things that were even talked about maybe at your legal permanent residency adjustment interview. So be prepared to answer those questions again. But the good news was that, yes, this officer did ask again about any misleading or fraudulent information. She said yes. And then he said, oh, I see you have a waiver. Everything's good. And she was approved. And she was a little taken back by a lot of the questions that he was asking. So she didn't even know that on her form, it didn't say that she was under review. It said, congratulations, you're approved. So I just wanted to share some good news, let you know that waivers do work for people who enter with inspection, but with different information in their documents. And also to say, what was happening currently with citizenship interviews, and, just be prepared a little bit more about the past situation as far as any marriages and how you got your green card. But overall, it was successful. So thank you for listening, and hope we have more of these good news videos to share with you soon. If you have any questions, once again, my name is Connie Doyle, Constance Doyle, and our number here is 847-807-4477. That's 847-807-4477. Thank you.